Hello and welcome to the Winter 2025 Major Challenge theme reveal video. Looking back at our last challenge, I always love to see the creativity that you show that goes beyond the limits. I'm always impressed to see the talent and the bright minds that come together to develop an awesome product that I hope that you are all truly proud of. And of course, I'm looking forward to seeing what you are going to come up with next after this theme is revealed. Very excited to see what you guys are going to come up with next, and in this video we're going to talk about exactly what you can expect. And don't forget, anyone can participate, so if you're interested in joining along, please feel free to. This next event is going to be our last major challenge to earn a potential of up to 20 out of the 50 total needed to qualify for the regional event. And do remember that you don't have to have any completed mini challenges in order to participate in the major challenge. So if you want to participate again, make sure that you do. Now, just like our last event, students across Canada will have 30 days exactly to make a game as a team based on the theme, which is going to be revealed right now. Your next theme is going to be You Are What You Eat. What comes to mind when you think of that? The food that you consume, the things that can happen to the characters involved or characters that you meet along the way. What are some things that come to mind for you? Imagine the calories that we can consume, the high score of the ultimate food challenge, or maybe we're trying to have a meal in which we haven't had in days. Flavor can be the name of the game, and it's going to be your job to spice up your titles for something memorable to play. Maybe a restaurant has opened up that progressively improves the quality of food that it serves, or maybe our hero can level up through the powerful meals that we can create from completed quests. The canvas is opened up for your choosing, and what ingredients that you decide to add will be your own. So get ready, because I am hungry to take a bite out of what you might be serving. You have 30 days to bring your vision to life, and I'm going to be sitting here eagerly awaiting for your submissions. And of course, I'm going to be playing the games right here, sharing my journey with you and my audience, and I can't wait to see what you come up with. So get ready and get busy, because remember, you are what you eat.